What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're staying safe. So today we are going to learn Photoshop basics. So without any further ado, let's start it. So guys, if you hear some background noise, so please ignore it because there is work going on in my neighborhood, so please ignore it. Okay, so before we start learning Photoshop, we'll understand what is Photoshop. Photoshop is a raster graphics editor developed and published by ADOBE for Windows and Mac operating system. Photoshop was originally created by Thomas and John Knoll in 1988. It is not only a raster graphics editor, but also a platform to create new things. It is used by photographers, designers, architects, and also some web page developers. So guys, as you can see, the Photoshop workspace, you can customize it according to our need. So I'll just give you a short introduction to what all we are going to use during the series of Photoshop. Okay. So on the left hand side, you can see some tools which we are going to use during editing our photos. On the top, you can see some windows like File, Edit, Image, etc. On the right hand side, you can see Layer panel, which we are going to use a lot in the series of Photoshop. So we will first learn to customize the workspace. To customize your workspace, you need to go to Workspace on the top. On the window on the top, then go to Workspace and then select your workspace. So if you are a photographer, you'll select the workspace for photographer, or if you're some other thing, you'll select what is your profession. Alright. So while learning Photoshop, you'll use the essential workspace. Alright. Now, how to open the image. So already I have image opened. Alright. So as you can see, but I'll show you how to open an image in Photoshop. So on the top, you need to go to File, then Open, then go to your desired location, select your image, and then click on Open. So this is for JPG image. So how to open a raw image? So to open a raw image, you will go to the File, Open, and select a raw file. So when you open a raw file, it will look like this. Okay, so my PC is a bit of slow because it's Windows 7. Alright, and you'll also notice some features missing in my version because I have downloaded the crack version of the Photoshop. Alright, so when you open a raw image, it will look like this. So now, if you want to open a blank project or a blank file, you need to go to File, then New, then you'll get a window, then the window will open. Then you have to select the height as 1000 or 2000 pixels and the resolution should be 300 pixels per inch. Then select the landscape mode or the portrait mode. Alright, then click on Open or OK. And all the other features in this window we'll learn about in detail later. Now, a tip: keep your image organized at all times. Alright, so this will help you to find your image easily. So like if I don't keep my image organized, So well, like oh, where was that image, like, so if I keep organized my image, oh, all right, so I have created a folder named Photoshop. In there, in that folder I'll save all my photos of Photoshop or any other image, right? So now, yeah, so save a file in Photoshop. You need to go in File, then go to Save As, and then select your desired destination, and then select your format in which you want to save your image, and then click on Save. Alright, so warning, if you save your image as a JPG, you will lose your layers. So we'll be learning layers in the next Photoshop tutorial. So right now you don't need to understand what is layers, but for now, as we have not done anything to this image, we will just save this as a JPG image. Alright, okay, so this was it for today's tutorial. So now, without so this was it for today. If you like the video, please don't forget to like it and share. And if you want more tutorials like this, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to press the notification bell so you'll get the notification as I upload my video. So thank you, until next time, bye.